Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add an overlay. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. Now, let's say I have an animated overlay or a picture overlay that I wanted to add to anything in my OBS, right? So let's go ahead and start a little fresh here. All right, so let's go add my overlay. If it's a video, I'd press media source. If it's an image, I press image. I'm going to use an image overlay for this. Go to my downloads, find the overlay that it is that I want to use. Now that I have this overlay added and equipped, I'm gonna show you how to use it a little bit, right? So your sources tab acts as a layers tab, and anything that's above anything else within this will be above it, and anything below will be below, right? So let's say I wanted to add my display over here. I could go ahead and do that. Maybe fit it to screen first so I don't have to deal with it being all crazy and wonky. As you see, it is above it. And I'm not playing Apex. It'd make more sense if I was, considering it says Apex in the background, but I'm sure everything will be alright. Alright, now that you got it like that, you see how it's kind of working out, and then we got the stuff going, and then now if I wanted to add, I don't know, let's say my Twitch chat, I would go ahead and, or maybe my donations or anything, I would go ahead and turn on my browser. Oh, click on my browser, and then I would maybe, I don't know, put them in there. I have my Twitch following notifications popped up. So if anybody followed me, it would pop up right here. And then I put my face cam right here, and then a good overlay would have all this open for you to put whatever that you wanted to put right here. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial on how to use and add an overlay. Thank you guys so much for watching.